il cielo opaco canta là. Idrisar salva le nostre anime perdute nel buio eterno senza pietà. O fato crudele, perché mi chiami nel buio eterno senza pietà.
Me decían que no iba a llegar, pero este paso me hizo dudar. Todo lo que quise, todo lo que fui, hoy vuelven y quieren venir hacia mí. Dicen que soy fría, que no valgo nada, pero lo que ves es lo que gané ya. No me digas pobre, yo ya me cansé. Conozco lo duro que vengo y lo sé. Dicen que no valgo, que yo soy raro, pero si me ven raro, mejor ni me hablen claro. La envidia, eso no se nota. No me vendo, no me borran, no me joden en la boca.
Look, I'm back with a blade in the backpack. Rap lab, hazmat, snap like a synapse. Syntax, stack facts, hack mainframes, crash backwards, spin turbine, jet fuel, has caps, fast track, syllable shrapnel. I'm that matchstick, lit wick, tick tick, boom bap, zoom past room, warp boom in the boom box. 2 clocks tick, I split noon in the moon rocks. Hijack time, I'm a bomb in the rhyme scheme. High speed mind, triple time with a light beam. Widescreen thoughts in the spine, thin body. Line so hot, they can fry cold coffee. I'm off key, omni, god tier, on beat, talk cheap, mind deep, fine heat, concrete, jaw clench, pin punch, holes in the page. I'm the storm in the form of a 4-minute rage. I go chop chop,
All right, fellow failed musicians and wannabe producer gentlemen and gentlewomen alike, we've got some good stuff to play this week. You guys remember Acestep from last month, right? That music generator, which probably the best free offline music generator we've got right now. Well, now it's upgraded to the XL version just a few days ago, which means larger samples. So in this video, we're going to break down what they actually added, what changes, and does it matter at all, and of course, how to use and install it. So yeah, let's just get into it. Now, when we look at this XL model, it has 4 billion parameter, which doubles the size of the 2B model, and by default, it requires over 24 gigabyte full precision and 12 gigabyte for quantized version, because we also need LLM models for the prompt enhancement. But don't worry, this can still work on 8 gigabyte cards as long as we have enough memory to offload all these models and optimize the quantization even further without sacrificing the quality too much. So let's start with the installation. For this kind of audio model, I prefer to use Gradio interface. I don't really mess with Comfy UI for heavy audio stuff like this. It just gets a bit annoying for troubleshooting. So instead, we're going to install it directly into its own Windows environment, nice and clean. And the good thing is everything is automated here, model download, setup, all of that. So we don't really have to worry about breaking anything because it's basically portable with its own environment. We can just store it anywhere we want. Super flexible setup, nothing complicated. If you already have the old Gradio version like this, what you want to do is just update the main folder. The XL node is going to get installed automatically, so you don't really need to redo the whole setup. You can just skip the installation part and jump straight into the model explanation because we're going to do something a bit different in that section anyway. But if you're doing a fresh install, we're going to head over to the main repo and install the main components first. This environment needs a Python either 3.11 or 3.12. So we head over to Python and download the right version. So in this case, I just download the 3.12 version and install it. Don't forget to check the path so that Windows will automatically use this version, just in case you have multiple Python version on your Windows. We also need Git installer to copy and pull any repo later on. Grab this as well. Next step is to install UV Manager. Depends on your operating system, either macOS or Linux or Windows. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'll grab this command. Since this is a PowerShell command, find PowerShell from the Windows startup and paste the command and enter. We can now copy the official repo to wherever we want it to be copied. In this case, I want it in my C drive root. Then we open the terminal command, clone the repo. Once it's done, we can see the folder here, open it, and we're going to synchronize it. The UV Manager will auto-install every dependence it needed to run this model. This will take some time because some of the dependency like PyTorch wait a few gigabytes. The rest will auto-download all the model by itself whenever we start the program first time. Now we can start the Gradio by using this script, or if somehow you don't want to connect to the internet and want it fully offline after all the model download and installation completed, you can use the offline command like this. All right, so let's go ahead and start up Gradio. As soon as you launch it, it's going to automatically download all the models that it needs, so just keep that in mind. This is going to be around like 8 to 10 gigabytes total. It might take a bit depending on your internet, and by default, it's going to use the lightest model first. So right here on the first run, you can actually see which model it's loading up. And once every model is downloaded, to open the Gradio interface, hold Control on your keyboard and click the web link in the terminal to bring us to the UI browser. Now let's talk about the model. Acestep always has 3 different versions. Turbo is for fast generation, low step, and low memory consumption, while the base one is the all-in-one utilities like everything that you want from this model. Like all these listed here needs base model, while SFT might not as complete as base version. This model is the highest voice quality of all 3. Since base model is not really for simple generation, but more like editor, I'd skip the base model because I've tested it quite a bit and its voice quality is always worse than the 3. So we have 2 options here. The SFT model, highest quality but more steps, means it'll generate longer, or second options. The turbo model, slightly reduced quality but faster generations. And this is where Acestep kind of jack of all trade but master of none. SFT has the highest voice quality, but has medium song variations. Base model has the best music variations, like the style of music, but the worst audio quality, while Turbo sits in between, so we really can't get that versatility like Suno does, where it has high music variations and high quality as well. It also applies on the LM prompter or enhancer. If you want to use this, the higher the parameter, the better the effect. What this does, it'll help enhancing the music indirectly with prompt, but you can always turn this off to save RAM and do the prompting manually and see how the model can adjust the prompt without enhancement at all. So which model are we using for the XL version? Instead of the full precision one, we're going to go with the merged model right here. It's basically a BF16 compressed setup, but combining 2 models at once. For this, I'm using the Turbo plus SFT merge, so we still get fast generation, but without losing too much quality. Because Turbo alone can get a bit hissy and sometimes skip syllables, but with this merge, it balances things out pretty nicely. What we're going to do is copying the XL model checkpoint. By going into the main Acestep folder, get a command to copy the model. In this case, we are using the Turbo checkpoints, because this one contains parameter optimized for low step generation, things that we need. Now when copying the checkpoint, since we don't want to use the full precision but a custom model, we can just skip this model download part and go to the custom model instead. Get this one, save it in the Turbo checkpoint folder, and since the model name is specific in the index.json to recognize the model, we need to rename this model into model safe tensors, because that's how the model read it by default. Start over the Gradio, open the web UI. Now that we already download the XL model, we need to make slight adjustment on the model loader. Head over to the setting right on the top left, click the service configurations, and choose checkpoints and the Turbo XL model as well, because this is the checkpoint that we downloaded earlier. Also, if you have enough GPU, you can change the LM prompter here to a better one like the 4B, and installing it is the same as how we install the model, but when you look at down here is the configuration for any GPUs. I'd recommend this at least 8GB cards with 32GB RAM. You can try a lower card by offloading everything to RAM by checking the offload, and disable the LM prompter to use only music model without LM, also quantize more into FP8, which will reduce the quality slightly but will heavily reduce the weight model a lot. this is flash attention. Installing this can get a 20 to 30% speed boost, but for the sake of this tutorial, I don't include it because auto-installing this always returns error, mainly no compatible build for this environment. So we need to search the wheel or portable flash attention build for this one to work. But even with no flash attention installed, Turbo model uses 8 steps, which is already fast enough, using flash attention barely noticeable anyway. Once everything is set, press Initialize button. We need to do this once, and next startup will always use this parameter. Let's compare it head-to-head with Suno, and how does it sound vocal to vocal-wise?
Ring light halo, plastic throne, caption coffee, grind mode on. Take a selfie at the protest march, post it first, then grow a heart. Call your breakdown brand new art. Filter tears, then pin a spark. Tell them live your truth, be real. From a rented car you claim you own, yeah. You love the mirror more than the view, preaching about real life from a hotel room, selling me flaws that you don't even use. The irony loves you, the irony loves you. You hate the system, but it's paying your dues, canceling strangers and designer shoes, blessed by the outrage, baptized in views. The irony loves you, the irony loves you.
Gonna make random stuff here. Now we use the same prompt to Acestep and see how it goes.
Ring light halo, plastic throne, caption coffee, grind mode on. Take a selfie at the protest march, post it first, then grow a heart. Call your breakdown brand new art. Filter tears, then pin a spark. Tell them live your truth, be real.
Hold on, we've got some desync issues here. Gonna fix the prompt real quick. This is why sometimes LM Prompter is useful to help to tie the lyrics and prompt instruction into the model. So we're just gonna enhance this prompt first. Better LM model will also gives better result, but it's not a guarantee as well, because sometimes you also need to generate a few times for a better seed output.
Ring light halo, plastic throne, caption coffee, grind mode on. Take a selfie at the protest march, post it first, then grow a heart. Call your breakdown brand new arc. Filter tears, then pin a spark. Tell them live your truth, be real. From a rented car you claim you own, yeah. You love the mirror more than the view, preaching about real life from a hotel room, selling me flaws that you don't even use. The irony loves you, the irony loves you. You hate the system, but it's paying your dues, canceling strangers and designer shoes, blessed by the outrage, baptized in views. The irony loves you, the irony loves you. Every trend, you're first in line. Found this small spot, it's a brand in disguise. Tell us all log off, touch grass. From a screen time chart you crop in half. Call it long form, soul and art, but it's just jump cuts, clickbait hard.
Wow, compared to the basic model, this is actually a pretty big improvement. I remember the non-XL version, especially the Turbo ones, they always had that kind of hissing sound, like that classic AI voice artifact, and it was noticeable first generation without any post-processing. But now, it's way cleaner. Like, this is already a real step up, especially since the sound quality is getting really close to something like Suno 4.5. The functionalities is just the same nonetheless, nothing changed, old features are still the same, like this auto-random prompt right here, should be good for fast testing.
Sun is rising over the bay. Another beautiful Caribbean day. No worries on my mind today. Just let the music play. Oh, oh. One love, one heart. We're never gonna be apart. One love, one soul. Together we are whole. Yeah, man.
And I feel like the vocal range is better as well, I can tell, because I used to test how fast the vocal can be. Say, for example, we now switch to remix mode, get a fast-talking vocal like this, and see how it does.
I'ma get it when I spit it in a minute, better listen. I be whipping every rhythm with precision of division in the kitchen. Noodles spinning, water bubbling, I'm still running every sentence like an engine in ignition. Get my yelling from the living room, you tripping with the living zoom. Moving through a million words a minute, I don't pause, I evolve, I revolve, every syllable involved, never stall, I'm a Wi-Fi lagging, I be bragging, still I'm rapping the static, automatic with a pattern, never notification, shut it stop me, I'm popping every consonant and vowel like a rocket, never shaking. Breath control is like a miracle, I'm lyrical and spherical, I circle every beat until it's taken. Order pizza, then I ate it, then I rated it and paid it for the driver, even made it to the station. I'ma get it when I spit it in a minute, better listen. I be gripping every rhythm with precision of division in the kitchen. Noodles spinning, water bubbling, I'm running, I'm still running every sentence like a living in ignition. Crime my yellow, running, tripping with the living zoom. I'm zooming through a million words a minute. I don't pause, never fall, every syllable revolve, never fall, never stall. I'ma finish how I'm in it. Popping like another wagon, still I'm rapping through the static, automatic with the pattern, never picking, never kitchen. Try to stop me, but I'm popping every consonant and vowel like a rocket, never shaking. Back and forth like a miracle, I'm lyrical, a spherical. I circle every beat until it's vacant. Order pizza, then I ate it, then I rated it and paid it for the driver, even made it to the station.
But sadly, it still can't really do child voices yet, so that kind of limits it to more adult-type vocals for now.
Brave little balloon, float. I bought a run. We bumped our heads on every little balloon.
I do wish it had that, but it's just not there yet. That said, for most use cases, this is probably like 70% of the way to something like Suno 4.5. You're still missing a bit of that music diversity, but every now and then, if you get a good random, you can actually get something pretty unique or surprisingly good. And now to close this video, do I think it's worth it? Oh man, definitely is. And it's not like that the hardware requirement is that of a problem. An 8GB card still can run this, better vocal range and quality, and also slightly better music composition, though not as rich as Suno, but at least some genre can be used and on par with commercial level with this, and that alone already a plus for me. Okay, that's it for today. See the link and installation instruction in the descriptions. Have fun, I'll see you guys next time.
I'ma get it when I spit it in a minute, better listen. I be gripping every rhythm with precision of division in the kitchen. Noodles spinning, water bubbling, I'm still running every sentence like a living in ignition. Crime my yellow, running, tripping with the living zoom. I'm zooming through a million words a minute. I don't pause, never fall, every syllable revolve, never fall, never stall. I'ma finish how I'm in it. Popping like another wagon, still I'm rapping through the static, automatic with the pattern, never picking, never kitchen. Try to stop me, but I'm popping every consonant and vowel like a rocket, never shaking. Back and forth like a miracle, I'm lyrical, a spherical. I circle every beat until it's vacant. Order pizza, then I ate it, then I rated it.